Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable timer to stop music from playing on your iPhone. So go to the clock section here and you are going to go to the timer. Maybe you want to play the music for like 3 hours and you want to sleep and you want it to stop. So select when timer ends. There's going to be these here. And you're obviously going to select stop playing, the one at the very bottom, and you're going to select set. When you start it and you start listening to any music or you play like a video, it's going to stop whatever the activity is. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!